Hey Dominic, this is Ryan D over at Audi VW Fall River, and I know your dad pretty well. He tells me you're looking for a first car, possibly an A3. So I'm going to do a little walk around video on this 2022 Audi A3 that just came off demo. Stay tuned. This is Ryan D over at Audi VW Fall River, and I got a real treat for you today. I'm sitting in front of a 2022 Audi A3 that we just took off demo with 6,000 miles. Yep, came off demo. We actually using the car to service our customers around when they got their oil change. Never been in an accident, never been smoked in, always been serviced by us. You'll notice full upgraded LED lights, big grille. I love the chrome on the Audis. You're gonna notice this one doesn't have that black optics look, and it's real traditional. I love the upgraded LED lights. Making our way over here, you're going to notice nice subtle wheels. You get a nice 18-inch wheel with an all-season tire. Audi is known for their all-wheel drive. You can see it's snowing here in Fall River. This would be the perfect day to own an Audi. Now, making our way this way, you'll notice body lines run beautiful through the Audi A3. They were all upgraded. You get keyless entry on both doors. Great body lines. Power folding mirrors with blind spot monitoring. You'll notice that right there. Now, making our way to the back, you're going to notice, just like the front, upgraded LED lights. The front has been fully upgraded just like the back. Brake lights, reverse lights, plate lights. You get a full upgraded backup camera back here. You'll notice the rings and the A3 badging. Really cool. Safety features running through the bumpers. I just want to point out, this was our demo again. So you'll notice I probably should have opened it before doing this video. Oops. Fully upgraded weather mats. You'll notice the summer mats in the back. You get all the jack spare and equipment as if the car was new. One of the things I want to point out is you get a nice fully upgraded backup camera right there. It's probably same quality as your cell phone. Follow me this way, Dominic. Now I want to highlight some of the features. This one actually has a Bang & Olufsen upgraded sound system. One of your father's favorite features when buying an Audi. He told me so himself. Now you'll notice black leather with gray stitching back here. USB Type-C access for rear passengers, and this one actually has the cool LED lights running through the door panels and the floors, so at night it's going to look really cool. Follow me to the front, Dominic. I want to highlight some of the features in the 2022 Audi A3 that you're going to notice on a day-to-day basis. Hey Dominic, this is Ryan D over at Audi VW Fall River, and I'm sitting in the 2022 Audi A3. Guess what? A lot going on in here. Automatic lighting, memory seating, easy access to the rear tailgate. Oh, nice option on the sedan, I just want to point that out. Power folded heated mirrors with blind spot monitoring. You'll notice a nice leather wrapped steering wheel. You get a nice virtual look behind the steering wheel. Really upgraded, really nice looking, really simple to use. Right over here, they wrap this little touchscreen into the driver. Again, touchscreen is amazing. It's really simple to use, just like your cell phone. And you'll notice some really cool features in here, all touch motion features. Climate control is just like the e-tron GT. They kind of set it up like a race car, made it very simple and very easy to use. You'll notice wireless phone charging down here and some of the safety features the car has to offer, which is really cool. I love the piano black look with the new style shifter. You'll notice that in the 2022 Audi A3. This is going to look a little bit different. Look to your right, you'll notice black leather, fully upgraded with gray stitching. You'll notice Bang & Olufsen sound running through the doors. That's my favorite. Your father told me he will not buy an Audi without Bang & Olufsen, and I believe him. You'll notice LED running all through here with a nice aluminum trim, just giving you a nice sporty feel in the car. Real futuristic, I want to say. And I just want to point out up here, you get a nice LED look. Just like the outside, the inside was fully upgraded with LED lights. This one actually has a really nice sport-like sunroof. Hey Dominic, this is Ryan D over at Audi VW Fall River, and I want to thank you for watching the video on the 2022 Audi A3 that just came off demo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, call me on my personal number, 401-529-9919. Thanks again, Dominic.